All right, hello everybody. My name is Eric Crump. I'm the Senior Vice President of AWS North America for AllCloud. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're talking about how to get started with your cloud contact center. This is the second in a series that we've been covering Amazon Connect and how to approach your cloud contact center projects. Okay, so let's start the conversation today with a recent quote from Forrester. I think this highlights well what customers are having to deal with. Ultimately, customer expectations are evolving rapidly and exponentially, but traditional contact center technology does not move at the pace of cloud. It is proprietary, locked in, and just moves way too slow. So with that quote from Forrester, let me pose a question for you and I think your broader organization. When you think about your call center, do you want it to be innovative? Do you want your call center operations to be an innovation center? Do you want to be able to look at it so that it can move at the speed of cloud? Do you want to measure things like how much input coming from your contact center actually makes it into the product? Do you want to increase those operations? And do you want to do it at sometimes a 30 to 50% lower cost to your business and a higher ROI in the hundreds of times, right? All that sounds really great, I know. And you know, the great thing about the enterprise cloud is you don't necessarily have to believe me. You can just dive right in. And I think that's what's key about Amazon Connect and cloud contact center technology, right? There's not commitments, there's not minimums. You can just start to build. And I think that's what we want to lead into next in our conversation is how do you get started, right? All this stuff sounds great, but how do you get started? So let's just talk a few minutes about the benefits of Amazon Connect. There's really four to focus on. Number one, self-service and ease of use. Secondarily, dynamic and natural call flows. Amazon Connect is built and is founded on how customers want to interact with systems today in a very natural way. Third, open system. Very unlike proprietary, locked-in, traditional contact center systems, Amazon Connect is open for integration and also leveraging the 200 plus Amazon services behind the scenes. And then last but not least, the AWS ecosystem. Partners like AllCloud can help you. You're not locked into proprietary sets of technology and a group of people that only know this, and it moves much faster at the speed of cloud, 100% cloud-based. Okay, so now that we've outlined the business problem, and then we've also talked about some of the features of Amazon Connect, let's talk about how to get started. Many ways, the first step is the scariest. Customer interaction systems and customer systems are crucial to your business. And by no means can you take a rip and replace approach. You've got to be able to really evaluate how this is going to benefit your customer and your customer's experience and your business as a whole. So we have a recommended four-phased approach, and really the first step is a POC. So let me talk a little bit about our approach and how you identify how to take that first step. So as mentioned, AllCloud has a four-phased approach to their contact center implementation methodology, right? We really want to focus on exploration, then moving you all the way out into innovation where your contact center is truly becoming an innovation center. But let's focus on exploration today. Exploration really is that first step. And within that first step, identifying an ideal POC, one that's going to really allow you to take a look at the technology and how it'll fit in your business. And there's a few characteristics of that POC to help identify that first project. One, start with a small team, a team that's focused minimum 5 customer service reps up to a maximum of 20. One that is somewhat representative of your environment so that you can really test that but control it. Number two, look to a use case that has some light integration into a CRM or a CRM supporting system, one that will allow you to take a toe dip into the integration capabilities of Amazon Connect. Then finally, I would also take a look at implementing one of two other technologies in the initial POC. One is leveraging the Lexbot technology with natural language processing and or looking at contact lens to toe dip into ML and AI and see how you can leverage those capabilities inside your POC and inside your contact center too. So in summary, the areas that you need to focus on for that initial POC are: one, start with a small focus group that you can control. 2, look to some light integration. And 3, look to 1 or 2 advanced features like Lex or Contact Lens. And always, if you need help, AllCloud has a Jumpstart package, Amazon Connect, Jumpstart POC. If you need information, let us know.